Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to replace a regular receptacle with a ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle. A ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle will protect against 5 mA shock current. According to WorkSafe BC, a shock current between 10 to 50 mA can cause fatal accident, while a regular receptacle protected by a 15 amp circuit breaker will not provide you the protection against electrical shock. This is a list of material and the tools required for this job. This is a ground fault circuit interrupter receptacle. This is a receptacle tester. This is a touchless voltage tester. When first turn on, it will show a green light. When I test a live circuit, the lights will become red and have rapid beeping sound there. So first thing, we're going to turn the circuit breaker off. We locate the circuit breaker in the panel and we turn them off. Then we're going to test this receptacle again with touchless voltage tester. Now there is no live circuit in there. We can start taking the cover plate off. We use number 1 slot screwdriver to take off the cover plate. Then we're going to use number 1 Robinson screwdriver to take the receptacle out. Then we can pull the receptacle out. There's 3 wires connect onto the receptacle. The black wire connect onto the brass terminal is the hot wire. The white wire connect onto silver spool is the neutral wire, and the bare copper wire connect onto the green bonding wire. So I'm going to take the wire off first. If you have a brand new GFCI receptacle, there's a yellow tape cover 2 terminal screws. We're going to talking that in next video. This video, we're just going to install it. We connect bare bonding wire onto the green spool. Connect white neutral wire onto the silver spool. Connect black hot wire onto the brass spool. To provide extra protection, I'm going to use black electrical tape to cover all the terminal screws. After that, we're going to fold in all the wire back into the box and push the receptacle inside the box. Then we use 2 mounting screws to mount the box. will mount the cover plate back on. After finish mounting, we're going to turn the circuit breaker back on. We're going to use our touchless voltage tester to test it. We have to press the reset button first. We use touchless voltage tester to test there's a power at our receptacle there. Next step, we're going to use a receptacle tester to test these two lights on this receptacle tester shows my connection for this receptacle is totally correct. So now our receptacle is ready for the use. Another reminder, there are two push buttons on this receptacle. One is test, one is reset. We have to test this GFCI receptacle monthly to ensure the electronic device inside is working properly. Press the test button, the reset will come out. There is no power to the receptacle right now. Then you press the reset button to reset the GFCI receptacle. Now the receptacle is ready to use again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Bye.